Alright, today I would like to introduce gold brand key. Actually, gold brand, this dollar product is from Japan, and this brand has been in Japan over 100 years. Their special feature is in high precision cylinder, so it's more higher security to use on commercial buildings and also on residential buildings. And you can see five types of key. This one is 6-pin, which is quite ordinary and is a standard one. And this key there are 26 keyways, which is 26 key sections. And you can see the stamp B, which is B type sections. Okay, this is 6-pin. This one is GP cylinder. GP cylinder is recently developed these 4 to 5 years, which is quite a new cylinder and combination. This has 18 pins. You can see a pin here, and here. Okay, and you can the key insert is insert into the cylinder. You can use a different way to insert a cylinder. This is a V18 key, which is used on V18 cylinder. The key difference is reached to 12 billion, which is very high security cylinder. Okay. They also have 3 size pins. This one is 7-pin. Okay, forgot to introduce after 6-pin. Doesn't matter. Yeah, there's 7 pins. The key difference we can reach to the 18 million. And this key is the highest cylinder in gold brand series cylinder. There are 24 pins. You see the pin. Okay. And key difference can reach to 1,000 trillion, 2,800 billion. It's very high security. All key material is nickel silver. That is very hard material. It's harder than brass material key. Alright, thank you.